today is our leg day, so we'll be starting off from this kind of 45-degree leg press. I used to do squats as a first exercise, but from today onwards, we will not be doing it. Not today onwards. Actually, this whole program of rebuild series, I will do squats on a leg day because I'll get that for the strength day. So on a leg day, I'm doing this one. Why this one specifically speaking? Because it offers me better range of motion and with more safety features. Like I will not be terrified to go like past my limits and push to failure. So that's the one reason. And the second exercise for the quads would be the leg extension, and the hamstring will be hit by the Romanian deadlift and hamstring curls. The calf will be standing leg calf raises and sitting calf raises. So let's get on to it. The first exercise would be the leg presses. Knees locked in its position so that your hamstring takes over. So the next exercise is for the calves, which is standing leg raises using dumbbells. So you can also do it by having marble on your back, but I find having dumbbells in my arms more comfortable rather than having marble on the back. One reason is, of course, I'm not going to be stable when I do this exercise, and my whole body is going to be suspended on my toes. So I don't want to fall back on my barbell. So it's kind of a safety precaution rather than being a preference. So you can also do it by dumbbell and see which works best for you. Whatever works best for you is probably the best one for you. So how do you know that whatever feels comfortable and kind of natural movement for you would be your kind of movement? So you have to pick exercise based upon your instincts for your body. So let's go down to it. the next exercise, kind of my favorite, which is the leg extension using this machine because I can push to failure on this machine really well. And I love the movement because it doesn't strain the other parts of my body apart from the legs, which I intend to hit on. So let's get on it. So, so this is my favorite exercise for the hamstring, which is the hamstring curls, seated hamstring curls. Well, I would love to do the lying down hamstring curls, but we don't have that machine in this gym, so I'll be doing this exercise on this machine, and I've been doing this exercise on this machine for a long time, and I pretty much love it because again, there's no unnecessary muscles getting hit on this exercise apart from the muscle that I intend on. Okay, so also this is one of my favorite exercise for the calves, which is the seated calf raises. Again, no unnecessary muscles involved, so that's why it's my favorite. Let's get on to the exercise. I'm tired anyway. Let's finish it off. So this is our last exercise, and after that, I might probably do some cardio. Sometimes it depends upon my strength. If I think I don't have any much energy left, I will not do the cardio usually. But it depends upon my mood and my strength.